Welcome to our technical guide on transformer bushings. In this video, we will walk you through the procedure for connecting bayonet type electrodes to high voltage RIP bushing. Before we proceed, let us identify the different components of the bushing with their nomenclatures. For handling bayonet type electrodes, we recommend keeping a cleaning cloth, a cleaning agent such as isopropyl alcohol, and a 2.5 mm Allen key readily available. Bayonet type electrodes are separately supplied in the box along with the 245 kV RIP bushings of Yash. Remove the electrode, unwrap it, clean all contact surfaces using a lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol. After unwrapping, inspect the electrode for any damage or corrosion. If found, immediately contact the Yash team, as defects on the electrode or its coating may cause failure or flashover during service or testing. To ensure proper handling of the bayonet electrode, let's start by understanding its key components and parts. Before attaching the bayonet electrode, ensure that the electrode support is properly secured and firm, without any movement, rotation or looseness. If found moving, loose or rotating, tighten it using a 2.5 mm Allen key under the guidance of the Yash service team. The Allen socket head bolt along with the spring and plain washer comes fitted firmly. However, we recommend checking its tightness before fixing the electrode. If found loose, please tighten it using an 8 mm Allen key. Slide the electrode over the transformer winding lead and connect the winding lead to the bushing's oil end terminal. Gently push up and align the electrode with Allen socket head bolts until the electrode fixing plate is fully seated on electrode support. Rotate the electrode in an anti-clockwise direction until the fixing plate fits properly into the slots, ensuring the bayonet lock is secured. Congratulations! The electrode has been successfully fixed to the transformer bushing. This step is vital for ensuring the safety and reliability of the transformer system. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more technical guides. Thank you for watching.